Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASCII 2018 Mathematics Past Question 1. Simplify root 108 plus root 125 minus root 75. A. Root 3 plus 5 root 5. B. 6 root 3 minus 5 root 5. C. 6 root 3 plus root 2. And D. 6 root 3 minus root 2. Now this is a surd and we are asked to simplify this surd. So we're given root 108 plus root 125 minus root 75. Now root 108 can be expressed as root, and 108 can be said 36 multiplied by 3 plus root 125 can be expressed as 25 multiplied by 5. Now if you look at this, we are trying to express these numbers as a product of a perfect square. If you look at 36 here, 36 is a perfect square. Likewise 25 is a perfect square. Also the same thing will apply for 75. 75 now will be 25 multiplied by 3. Now this 25 here is a perfect square. We can now see that this is equal to root 36 multiplied by root 3 plus root 25 multiplied by root 5 minus root 25 multiplied by root 3. Now from this we can now see that the root of 36 is 6, then multiplied by root 3, that will give us 6 root 3, plus root of 25 is 5 multiplied by root 5, that will give us 5 root 5, minus root of 25 is 5 multiplied by root 3, that will give us 5 root 3. Now from this we can collect like terms by saying 6 root 3 minus 5 root 3 plus 5 root 5. And from here you see that the 6 root 3 minus 5 root 3 will give us root 3 plus 5 root 5. And this is the answer to this question, and that is option A. So option A is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASCII 2018 Mathematics Past Question 2. Evaluate 64 raised to the power of 1 over 2 plus 125 raised to the power of 1 over 3, all in the brackets square. Now A is 121, B 144, C 169, and D 196. Now we have to evaluate this, and if you look at this, this is coined out from indices. We're given 64 raised to the power of 1 over 2 plus 125 raised to the power of 1 over 3, all in the brackets square. Now from indices, this 64 raised to the power of 1 over 2 is interesting as saying square root of 64 plus, and this 125 raised to the power of 1 over 3 is interesting as saying cube root 125, all square. Now from here we can see root 64 is 8 plus, now cube root of 125 is equals to 5, all square. So now 8 plus 5 will give us 13. So we're having 13 square, and 13 square is equals to is equals to 169. So 169 is the answer to this question, and that is option C. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASCII 2018 Mathematics Past Question 3. Given that y varies inversely as the square of x, if x is equals to 3 when y equals to 100, find the equation connecting x and y. A, yx squared is equals to 300, B, yx squared is equals to 900, C, y is equals to 900 over x, and D, y is equal to 900 squared. Now, this is an inverse variation, and we're given that y varies inversely as the square of x. Simply means that y varies inversely as the square of x. So from this you can see y is equals to k all over x squared. Now this k is a constant which is introduced because we are changing this proportionality sign into an equation sign. Now from here we can say k, which is a constant, is equals to yx squared. So from this, when x equals 3 and y equals 100, we can say k is equals to 100 multiplied by 3 square, and this is equals to 100 multiplied by 9, and this is equals to 900. So that means the constant k is 900. Now from this we can say what? Using this, we can now say y is equals to 900 all over x square. So therefore yx square is equals to 900, and this is option B. So this is the formula connecting x and y, and that is option B. Yx square is equals to what? 900. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering waec 2018 Mathematics Past Question 4. Find the value of x for which 34 base 4 is equals to 22 base x. A 3, B 5, C 6 and D 7. Now for us to find the value of x, this x here, we have to convert each of these to base 10. We'll convert them to a number in base 10. In doing so, we'll be able to evaluate the value for x. Now by doing this, we say since the base of 32 is known, which is 4, we simply say 3 times 4 raised to the power of 1. Remember, your power starts from 0 then 1, so 3 times 4 raised to the power of 1 plus 2 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 0, and this is equals to, likewise here too, 0 1. Since the base is x, you say 2 times x raised to the power of 1 plus 2 times x raised to the power of 0. Now from this we have that 3 times 4 will give us 12. Then 2 times 4, now 4 raised to the power of 0 is same thing as 1, so 2 times 1 is equals to what? 2. Now this is equal to 2 times x raised to the power of 1 is equals to 2x plus, now x raised to the power of 0 is 1, because anything raised to the power of 0 is equals to 1, so simply say 2 times 1 is 2. So from this we have that 14 is equals to 2x plus 2. Now from this we can say 2x is equals to 14 minus 2. Divide both sides by the coefficient of x. Now this is equal to, sorry, this one will be equals to 12. So dividing both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. This 2 we cancel this 2, liberating x. Now 2 here, 1, 2 into 12 will give us 6. So x is equals to 6. So this value here, x here, is 6, meaning that 32 base 4 is equals to 22 base 6. So the answer to this question is option C. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering waec 2018 Mathematics Past Question 5. Simplify 2 whole number 1 over 4 multiplied by 3 whole number 1 over 2 divided by 4 whole number 3 over 8. Now the options given are 5 over 9, which is A, B 1 whole number 1 over 5, C 1 whole number 1 over 4, and D 1 whole number 4 over 5. Now we're given this fraction and we're asked to simplify these fractions. Now since these fractions are in mixed numbers, we convert each of them to improper fraction, and by doing that, for 2 whole number 1 over 4, we simply say 2 times 4, that will give us 8, plus 1, that will be 9 all over 4 multiplied by, then the 3 whole number 1 over 2 will be 3 times 2, 6, plus 1, 7, that will be 7 all over 2 divided by 4 times 8 will give us 32 plus 3, 35, so 35 over 8. Now from here we say 9 over 4 multiplied by 7 over 2 multiplied by 8 all over 35. Now from this we can cancel out. 2 can go into 8 4 times, and 4 can go into 4. 7 can go into itself once and can go into 35 5 times. So therefore we have what? 9 all over, this is 5 here, so we have 9 all over 5. Now 9 all over 5 is the same thing as saying 1 whole number 4 all over 5. 1 whole number 4 over 5, and that is option D. So option D is the correct answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASCI 2018 Mathematics Past Question 6. There are 250 boys and 150 girls in a school. If 60% of the boys and 40% of the girls play football, what percentage of the school play football? A. 40.0%, B. 42.2%, C. 50.0%, and D. 52.5%. Now the question is, what percentage of the school play football? That is, including what percentage of the girls and boys. That is, we are adding the percentage of the girls that can play football and those of the boys that can play football. But we can't add it directly. We can't add it directly. So for us to do this now, we have to get the number of boys that play football, also get the number of girls that play football, add it together, and then simply what evaluate the percentage of the school that played football. Now, number of boys that played football can be estimated by number of boys that play football is equal to, now since the percentage of those that play football for the boys is 60%, so say 60 all over 100 multiplied by the number of boys, which is 250. Now this will give us what? This is equals to 150. So 150 boys plays football. Now number of girls that plays football. Now can be estimated by using the percentage, that is 40 all over 100 multiplied by the total number of girls, which is 150. So from this we can estimate that 60 girls play football. Now total number of students that plays football, total number of students that plays football is equals to 60, which is number of girls, plus 150, which is number of boys, and that is equals to 210 students. So 210 students plays football. Now the percentage of those that played football cannot be estimated by saying of students that plays football cannot be estimated as what? The number of students that plays football, 210 all over the total number of students, and total number of students can be estimated from 250 plus what 150, and that will give us what 400. So all over 400 multiplied by what 100%. Now for this zero we cancel this zero, this zero we cancel this zero, so we have what 210 divided by 4, and that is equals to 52.5 percentage or percent. So the percentage of students that plays football, or percentage of the school that plays football, is 52.5%, and that is option D. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering WASCI 2018 Mathematics Past Question 7. If log 6x minus 4 base 10 minus log 2 base 10 is equals to 1, solve for x. A2, B3, C4, and D5. Now we're given this log, and we're given log 6x minus 4 base 10 minus log 2 base 10 is equals to 1. Now from this we can see that this is given as log 6x minus 4 all over 2 base 10. Since you have the same base, and due to this negative sign, we divide. And if it is plus, we multiply, and this is equals to, now 1 is equals to what? Log 10 base 10. Log 10 base 10 is equals to 1. So from this we can see this log base 10 cancel, and then we'll be having 6x minus 4 all over 2 is equals to 10. Now when you cross multiply, you have 6x minus 4 is equals to 2 multiplied by 10, and so we have 6x minus 4 is equals to 20. From this we can now say that 6x is equals to 20 plus 4, that is taking this negative 4 to this side, it becomes positive 4. Now 6x is equals to 24. So dividing both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 6 we cancel 6, liberating x, then 6 here 1, 6 and 24 will give us 4. So x is equals to 4, and that is option C. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day, welcome. I'll be answering WASC 2018 Mathematics Past Question 8. If f is equals to 9 all over 5c plus 32, find c when f is equals to 98.6. A 30, B 37, C 39, and D 41. Now, it is given that f is equals to 9 all over 5c plus 32. Now, from this, we can say that f minus 32 is equals to 9 all over 5c. Then from here we can say that 9c is equals to, that when you cross multiply, 9c is equals to 5 into f minus 32. And also when you divide both side by 9, you can now say c is equals to what? 5 into f minus 32 all over what? 9. Now we're given that what? We should find c when f equals 98.6. Now we can say c is equals to 5 into 98.6 minus 32 all over 9. Now c is equals to 5 into 98.6 minus 32 will give us 333 all over 9, and this is equals to what? 37. So 37 is the value for c when f is equals to 98.6, and that is option B. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering WASC 2018 Mathematics Past Question 9. If y minus 2x is equal to 4 and y minus 3x is equals to minus 1, find the value of x minus y. Now A says 3, B 2, C 1, and D minus 9. Now we're given two equations here, so we have to solve this equation simultaneously. Now the first equation is y minus 2x is equals to 4, and the second one is y minus 3x is equals to minus 1. Now from equation, let's call this 2. From equation 1, I can say that y is equals to 4 plus 2x. Let's call this equation 3. Now let's substitute 4 plus 2x for y in equation 2, so that wherever you see y, you substitute and put 4 plus 2x. So that I can now say 4 plus 2x minus 3x is equals to minus 1. Now I can now say that, collecting like terms, I can say 2x minus 3x is equals to minus 1 minus 4. Now this will give us minus x is equals to minus 5, meaning that x is equals to 5. Now this is the value for x. Now from equation 3, we have that y is equals to 4 plus 2x. So I can now say that y is equals to 4 plus 2 times 5. So y is equals to 4 plus 10, which is equals to 14. Now the question asks us to find x minus y. So x minus y is equals to 5 minus 14, and this is equals to minus 9. And that is option D, minus 9. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering WASC 2018 Mathematics Past Question 10. If x ratio y ratio z is equal to 2 ratio 3 ratio 4, evaluate 9x plus 3y all over 6z minus 2y. A 1 whole number 1 over 2, B 2, 3, C 2 whole number 1 over 2, and D 3. Now, since it is said that x ratio y ratio z is equals to 2 ratio 3 ratio 4, it simply means that x is equals to 2, y is equals to 3, and z is equals to 4. Now with this we can simplify this. So we are given 9x. It simply means 9 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by y, which is y is 3, all over 6z, that's 6 multiplied by 4 minus 2y, that is 2 multiplied by 3. So this is equal to 18 plus 9 all over 24 minus 6, and this is equals to 27 all over 18. Now there's a common factor for 27 and 18, and that is 9. 9 in 27 will give us 3, and 9 in 18 will give us 2. So this is equals to 3 all over 2, which is equals to 1 whole number 1 all over 2, and that is option A. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASCI 2018 Mathematics Past Question 11. Simplify 2 minus 18m square all over 1 plus 3m. A. 2 into 1 plus 3m. B. 2 into 2 plus 3m square. C. 2 into 1 minus 3m. And D. 2 into 2 minus 3m square. So we are asked to simplify this. Now we're given 2 minus 18m square all over 1 plus 3m. Now looking at this, we can factorize this numerator here by simply saying 2 into 1 minus 9m square. That is 2 times 2 times 1 will give us this 2, and then 2 times minus 9 will give us what? Minus 18. So we what? Factorize this place all over 1 plus 3m. Now looking at this bracket, 1 minus 9m square, these brackets can be written as, we can say 1 minus 9m square is equals to 1 minus 3m multiplied by 1 plus 3m. Now let's carry out this multiplication. Looking at this, we can say 1 multiplied by 1 will give us what? 1. 1 multiplied by 3m will give us what? Plus 3m. Then minus 3m multiplied by 1 will give us what? Minus 3m. And minus 3m multiplied by plus 3m will give us what? Minus 9m square. Now looking at this positive 3m and minus 3m will cancel, so we have 1 minus 9m square. So you can see that this is equivalent to what? To 1 minus 9m square. So we can simply write this as equals to 2 into 1 minus 3m into 1 plus 3m all over 1 plus 3m. Now this 1 plus 3m here can cancel this 1 plus 3m in the denominator, leaving us with 2 into 1 minus 3m. And this is what answer to this question, 2 into 1 minus 3m, and that is option C. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASCI 2018 Mathematics Past Question 13. The volume of a cylindrical tank 10 meter high is 385 meter cube. Find the diameter of the tank. A 14 meters, B 10 meters, C 7 meters, and D 5 meters. Now a cylindrical tank, that is a cylinder, and the volume for the formula for calculating the volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Now we're given that the volume is 385 meter cube. The radius is what we're looking for. For us to find the diameter, we have to find the radius. Since we know that diameter d is equals to 2 times radius. Now the height is given to us to be 10 meters, and our pi is equals to 22 all over 7. So from this we can find the diameter of this tank by simply finding the radius first. Now we can simply say 385 is equals to 22 all over 7, which is the pi, multiplied by r square multiplied by 10. From this we can say 7 multiplied by 385 is equals to 22 multiplied by 10 multiplied by r square. So from here we have 2695 is equals to 220 r square. Now r square is equals to 2695 all over 220, and this is equals to 12.25. Then r is equals to the square root of 12.25, and this is equals to 3.5 meters. So therefore the radius of this cylinder, that is cylindrical tank, is 3.5 meters. Now the diameter d is equals to 2 times r, and that is equals to 2 times 3.5, which is equals to 7 meters. So therefore the diameter of this tank is 7 meters, and that is option C. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering WASCI 2018 Mathematics Past Question 14. The surface area of a sphere is 792 over 7 centimeters square. Find correct the nearest whole number, its volume. Take pi to be equal to 22 over 7. Now A is 113 centimeter cube, B 131 centimeter cube, C 311 centimeter cube, and D 414 centimeter cube. Now we're given the surface area of this sphere to be 792 over 7 centimeter square. Now we know that the surface area of a sphere, as the formula is given as 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. So it simply means that 792 all over 7 is equal to 4 pi r square. Now this is the formula for finding the surface area, and we are given the surface area to be 792 all over 7 centimeter square. Now for us to find the volume of this sphere, we must find this radius, because volume of a sphere is given as 4 all over 3 pi r cube. So this radius is very important. Now we can get the radius from this place. Okay, we say 4 multiplied by, since our pi is 22 all over 7, multiplied by r square is equals to 792 all over 7. Now when we cross multiply, we'll have 7 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 22 multiplied by r square is equals to 792 multiplied by 7. Then from this we'll have that we'll have 616 r square is equals to 5544, that's 5544. Now r square will be equal to 5544 divided by 616, and so r square is equal to 9. Since r square is equals to 9, we can simply say r is equals to the square root of 9, which is equals to 3. Now from this, since we've gotten the r, we can now find the volume of this sphere. So volume V is equals to 4 all over 3 multiplied by 22 over 7 multiplied by 3 cube, and this is equals to 4 all over 3 multiplied by 22 over 7 multiplied by 27. Now 3 here, 1, 3 and 27 will give us 9. So we have 4 times 22 times 9 all over 7, and this is equal to 792 all over 7, and this is equals to 113.14 centimeter cube. But looking at the question says to the nearest whole number, and so to the nearest whole number it will be approximately 113 centimeter cube, and that is option A. So this is the volume of the sphere. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos on past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering WASCI 2018 Mathematics Past Question 15. A piece of thread of length 21.4 cm is used to form a sector of a circle of radius 4.2 cm on a piece of cloth. Calculate correct to the nearest degree the angle of the sector. Take pi to be equal to 22 all over 7. A, we're given 170 degree, B 177 degree, C 182 degree, and D 192 degree. So the question is asking us that our answer should be in the nearest degree. Now, since the length of the thread used to form this sector is 21.4 cm, we can therefore say the perimeter of this sector is equals to 21.4 centimeter. And we know that the formula for finding the perimeter of a sector is given as theta all over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r plus 2r. Let me just represent this. Let's say we have a circle like this, and this is the center of the circle. Now this is the this is the segment. So the perimeter of this circle is here plus here, that is the radius plus this radius. That's where we got this 2r from, then plus the length of the arc. Now this is the formula for finding the length of the arc. So perimeter of a circle simply given as the length of arc plus 2 times the radius. So 2 times this radius, this is the radius, this is the radius, then plus the length of arc give us the perimeter of a sector. So from this we can now say this is equals to 21.4 centimeter, and we're given that the r radius is equals to 4.2 cm. So with this, we can find the what? We can find the angle of this sector, which is theta. So we have that theta all over 360 multiplied by 2 times 22 all over 7 multiplied by 4.2 plus 2 times 4.2 is equal to 21.4. Now from this we can see 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 4.2 will give us 184.8. So we can say 184.8 theta all over. Now 360 times 7 will give us 2520. 2520 plus, now 2 times 4.2 will give us 8.4 is equals to 21.4. Now from this we can simply say 184.8 theta all over 2520 is equals to 21.4 minus 8.4. Now from this we'll have that what 184.8 theta all over 2520 is equals to 13. Now when you cross multiply, we'll have 184.8 theta is equals to 13 multiplied by 2520, and 184.8 theta will be equal to 32,760. So therefore theta is equals to 32,760 all over 184.8, and this is equals to 177.27 degree. But remember, the question says to the nearest degree, and so this will be equals to approximately 177 degree, and that is option B, 177 degree. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASCII 2018 Mathematics Past Question 20. The angles of a polygon are x, 2x, 2x, x plus 30 degree, x plus 20 degree, and x minus 10 degree. Now we have to find the value of x. A 45 degree, B 84 degree, C 85 degree, and D 95 degree. Now looking at this polygon, since the polygon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles, it means that this polygon has what? 6 sides. So it's a 6-sided polygon, and from this we can determine the sum of angles of this polygon using the formula that says sum of angle of a polygon is equals to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree, and we have that the side of this polygon is 6, so we can simply say 6 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree, and this is equals to 4 multiplied by 180 degree, which is equals to 720 degree. So this is sum of the interior angle of this polygon. Now to find x, we simply would equate the sum of all these angles, since they are the interior angles of this polygon, to 720. So therefore we have x plus 2x plus 2x plus x plus 30 degree plus x plus 20 degree plus x minus 10 degree equals to 720 degree. From this we can have that what 1x, 3x, 5x, 6x, 7x, 8x. So 8x, then we have 30 degree plus 20 degree, that's 50 degree, minus 10 degree, that's 40 degree, plus 40 degrees equals to 720. From this we can say 8x is equals to 720 minus 40, and this is equals to 680 degree. So 8x is equals to 680 degree. Divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 8. 8 here will cancel 8, so we have x is equals to, now 680 divided by 8 is equals to 85 degree. So the value of x is 85 degree, and that is option C. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering WASCII 2018 Mathematics Past Question 21. If m and n are the points minus 3, 8, that is are the coordinates of this point, and 5 minus 7 respectively, find mn, that is find the distance between point m and point n. Now we're given the coordinate of point m to be, so for point m x is equals to minus 3 and y is equals to 8. Now for point N, x is equals to 5 and y is equals to minus 7. Now the coordinates of point M, let's term them to be x1, y1, and that of point N to be x2, y2. Now the formula for finding distance between 2 points, is equals to the square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 in bracket square. Now with this is equal to square root of, now x2 here is 5, that is the coordinate, x coordinate of what, N. So we have 5 minus x1 is minus 3, so minus 3 square, then plus y2 is minus 7, minus 7 minus y1 is 8 in the bracket square. Now this is equal to the square root of 5 minus minus 3 will give us 8, and 8 square will give us 64. Now minus 7 minus 8 will give us minus 15, and minus 15 square will give us 5. So this is equal to the square root of 64 plus 225 will give us 289, square root of 289, and square root of 289 is equals to 17 units. So the distance between point M and point N is 17 units, and that is option D. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASCI 2018 Mathematics Past Question 22. The equation of the line through the points 4, 2 and minus 8, minus 2 is 3y is equals to px plus q. Where p and q are constants, find the value of p, a1, b2, c3 and d9. So we're given the equation of this line to be 3y is equals to px plus q. Therefore, y is equals to px all over 3 plus q all over 3. Now this is the equation of this line. Remember, equation of a line is given as y is equals to mx plus c. Now this m here represents the gradient. That means on this equation of the line given to us now, m is equals to p all over 3. Now this c here represents the intercept, and that is what the intercept here, c is equals to q all over 3. But now we are asked to find what, p. So to find p, we simply would find the gradient, and then from that we can get p. Now to get the gradient of this line, m is equals to gradient y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1, and this is equal to, now looking at this, our x1 is 4 and our x2 is minus 8, our y1 is 2 and our y2 is minus 2. So therefore we have y2 which is minus 2 minus y1 which is 2 all over x2 minus 8 minus x1 which is 4 minus 4. So this is equals to minus 4 all over minus 12. Minus we cancel minus 4 here, 1, 4 in 12, 3. So this is equals to 1 over 3. So meaning that m is equals to 1 all over 3, which is equals to p over 3. Therefore p is equals to 1. This is this numerator here, that is p. So p is equals to 1, and that is option A. So the answer to this question is option A, 1. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASCI 2018 Mathematics Past Question 23. The angle of elevation of the top of a tree from a point 27 meter away and on the same horizontal ground as the foot of the tree is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tree. A 27, B 13.5 root 3, C 13.5 root 2, and D 9 root 3. So the angle of elevation of this tree, let's assume this is a tree and this is the height of the tree h. Now the angle of elevation of this tree from a point 27 meters away on the same horizontal ground is 27. So 27, this is the point. Angle of elevation is 30 degree, meaning that here it is 30 degree. Now we are asked to find what this h, that is the height of the tree. Now from this we can say that tan 30 degree is equals to h all over 27. Now from here we can say h is equals to 27 multiplied by tan 30 degree. Now h is equals to 27 multiplied by tan 30 degree is 1 all over root 3. From this is equals to 27 all over root 3. Now using sword, we have that h is equals to 27 all over root 3. Now we multiply the numerator and denominator by root 3. That is sword root 3 all over root 3. So this will give us h is equals to 27 root 3 as multiplied by this root 3 all over root 3 multiplied by 3. And this is equals to 27 root 3 all over root 9. Now we have that h is equals to 27 root 3 all over root 9 will give us 3. So now 3 here is 1 and 3 in 27 will give us 9. So h is equals to 9 root 3. And this is the answer to this question. So the height of the tree is 9 root 3, which is option D. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASC 2018 Mathematics Past Question 24. If tan x is equals to 4 over 3, given that 0 degree is less than x and x is less than 90 degree, find the value of sine x minus cos x. A is 1 over 10, B 1 over 5, C 5 over 12, and D one whole number 2 over 5. Now, which is given that tan x is equals to 4 over 3. Now let's represent this on a triangle. We have a right angle triangle here. X. Now tan x is equals to 4 over 3, meaning that the opposite is 4 and the adjacent is 3. Now from this we can get the hypotenuse, which is C, saying C square is equals to 4 square plus 3 square. Now from this, C square is equals to 16 plus 9, which is equals to 25. So C is equals to the square root of 25, which is equals to 5. Now that means C is equals to 5. Now from this you can say sine x is equals to 4 over 5 and cos x is equals to 3 over 5. Now back to the question. Question says sine x minus cos x. Now that is 4 over 5 minus 3 over 5. The LCM now will be 5 because we have the same word denominator. So 5 into 5, 1, multiplied by 4 will give us 4. 5 into 5, 1, multiplied by minus 3 will give us minus 3. And this is equals to 1 all over 5. So therefore, the answer for sine x minus cos x is equals to 1 over 5, and that is option B. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASC 2018 Mathematics Past Question 25. Given that y is 20 meters on a bearing of 300 degrees from x, how far south of y is x? Now given the options A 10 meters, B 15 meters, C 25 meters, and D 30 meters. Now given a bearing at y, let's call these points y, and point y is 300 degrees from x. Now this is point x. Now 300 degrees from point x will be somewhere here, so that we can see that from here to this angle is 300 degrees. Now we are asked to find the what here now is 20 meters from the question, and we are asked to find how far of y is x. That's how far south. Now that is, this is the south. So we have to find what how far south, which is this point. Let's call it y. How far south of y is x. So this point here. Now for us to find y, we must find what this angle here. Let's call this angle x. Now looking at this, you see that x plus 90 plus 90 plus 90 will give us what? 370 and 300 degree. So therefore we can say x is equals to 300 minus 270 degree. So x is equals to 30 degree. Now from this, since we know the value of x will be 30 degree, this is the opposite of x. We can now say sine 30 degree, that sine x is equals to y all over 20. So y is equals to 20 multiplied by sine 30 degree. And this is equals to 20 multiplied by 0.5. This is equals to 10 meters. So the distance of x along the south coordinate of y is 10 meters. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASCI 2018 Mathematics Past Question 26. The mean of 1, 3, 5, 7 and x is 4. Find the value of x. Now, A 2, B 4, C 6 and D 8. So we have to find the value of what? The value of x. Now, like we know, mean is equals to the sum of numbers or variables given all over the total number of these numbers, and it is stated that the mean is equals to 4. Now, so therefore 4 is equals to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus x all over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now when we cross multiply, we have that 20 is equals to 1 plus 3 will give us 4, plus 5 will give us 9, plus 7 will give us 16, plus x. So from here we can say x is equals to 20 minus 16, which is equal to 4. So the value of x is 4, and that is option B. So this is the answer, or the value of x. Thank you and God bless you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASCI 2018 Mathematics Past Question 27. Find the median of 2, 1, 0, 3, 1, 1, 4, 0, 1 and 2. A 0.00, B 0.5, C 1.0 and D 1.5. Now we have to find the median of this following set of data. And like we know, median simply means what? The middle. That is the median. Now for us to find the median of this, we arrange them with order in an orderly manner, starting from 0. We have 0, we have another 0, we write it down. We have 1, another 1, another 1, another 1. Then we have 2, 2, and then 3, and lastly 4. Now looking at these numbers, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 data here. Now to find the median, we simply split this into 2. And by doing so, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have 2 in the middle. That is 1 and 1. So we pick this as our medians and say median is equals to 1 plus 1. Since it's 2 variables we're having now, 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 all over 2. And this is equals to 2 all over 2, which is equals to 1. So therefore the median of this data is 1. And that is option C, 1. Thank you and God bless you. And just subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering WASCI 2018 Mathematics Past Question 28. Calculate the probability that the team selected at random scored at most 3 goals. None were given this table. Now this table consists of the number of teams and the respective goals scored by these teams. Now you can see here to represent the number of goals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then this box here represent the number of teams that scored these respective goals. Now looking at this, the total number of teams involved here will be 25. That's 3 plus 1, 4 plus 6, 10 plus 6, 16 plus 4, 20 plus 3, 22, 22 plus 3, 25. Total number of teams here will be 25 teams. Now, we have to calculate the probability that teams selected at random scored at most 3 goals. This at most here simply means that the teams either scored 3 goals or less. That is, they do not score above 3 goals. And if you can see, this is it, 1, 2, 3. So probability now that the team selected at random scored at most 3 goals will be equal to the probability of the team that scored 3 goals plus probability of the team that scored 2 goals plus probability of the teams that scored 1 goal, and that will be equals to 6 over 25 for those that scored 3 goals plus 1 over 25 for those that scored 2 goals. So this is 1 over 25 for those that scored 2 goals, and then plus 3 over 25 for those that scored 1 goal. Now this is equal to, since the LCM is the same, the denominator and the denominator is the same, we have 25, 6 plus 1 plus 3, and this is equal to 10 all over 25. Now 5 here will give us 2, and 5 in 25 will give us 5, so this is equals to 2 over 5. So the probability that teams selected as random scored at most 3 goals is 2 over 25. Like I said, this at most simply means that the teams do not score more than 3 goals. That is, they scored either 3 goals or below, and that is 3 goals, 2 goals, and 1 goal. So we say the probability is equal to what? Probability that the teams that scored 3 goals, which is 6 over 25, plus probability that they scored 2 goals, which is 1 over 25, plus probability that they scored 1 goal, which is 3 over 25, and we got 2 over 25, and that is option D. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASC 2018 Mathematics Past Question 29. Find the probability that a team selected at random scored either 4 or 7 goals. Now this table given to us describes the number of teams and their respective goals scored. Now the number of goals range from 1 to 7, and these are the number of teams that scored each of these goals. Like for 1 goal, now 3 teams scored 1 goal. Now to get the total number of teams is equals to 3 plus 1, 4 plus 6, 10 plus 6, 16 plus 4, 24. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 6, 10 plus 4, 6, 16 plus 4, 20 plus 2, 22, and plus 3, 25. So the total number of teams is 25. Now probability that a team selected at random scored either 4 or 7 goals is this. So we're looking at this box and this box. Now teams that scored 4 goals is 6 teams, so the probability is equals to 6 over 25 plus, now teams that scored 7 goals are 3 teams, and that is 3 over 25. Now this will be equals to LCM 25, 6 plus 3, which is equals to 9 all over 25. So the probability of teams that scored either 4 or 7 goals is 9 over 25, and that is option A. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASC 2018 Mathematics Past Question 32. The total surface area of a hemisphere is 75 pi centimeter square. Find its radius. A 5 cm, B 7 cm, C 8.5 cm, and D 12 cm. Now the total surface area of a hemisphere is given as 3 pi r square. Now we are given that this total surface area of this hemisphere is 75 pi, meaning that 3 pi r square is equals to 75 pi centimeter square. Now from here we can cancel out this pi, and we can see 3r square is equals to 75. Remember, we're looking for r. Now from here I can see r square is equals to 75 all over 3, and this is equals to 25, meaning that r square is equals to 25. Now from here we can see r is equals to the square root of 25, and therefore r is equals to 5.0 centimeter, and this is option A. So this is the answer to this question, that is the radius of this hemisphere is 5 centimeter. Thank you and God bless you, and should subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering waec 2018 mathematics past question 33. Find the value of x for which x minus 5 all over x into x minus 1 is undefined. A 0 or 5, B minus 5 or 5, C minus 1 or 5, and D 0 or 1. Now for us to find the value for which x is undefined in this equation, we look at only the denominator. That is, we pick only the what? Only the denominator of this, and the denominator here says x is into x minus 1, and then what, we equate it to what? To 0. From here now we can see what x is equal to 0, that is this x here, and what x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x minus 1 is equal to 0 simply means x is equals to 1. So therefore x is equals to 0 or 1, and that is option D. So take notes, only the denominator was concerned. Thank you and God bless you, and should subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering waec 2018 mathematics past question 34. Solve the equation 2x squared minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. A, x is equals to minus 3 over 2 or 2. B, x is equals to minus 2 or 3 over 2. C, x is equals to minus 3 or 2. And D, x is equals to 3 or 2. Now we're given a quadratic equation here, and we're asked to solve this equation, that is, we should find the value of x. Now looking at this quadratic equation, you can see that this x squared here is having a coefficient of 2. Now to factorize this, we have to have it at the back of our mind that this 2 will affect what, this 6 here. Now in the sense that 2 multiplied by minus 6 will give us what, minus 12. So we have it at the back of our mind that here is minus 12, and this is actually required in terms of factorization. Now so when factorizing this, we will look for two numbers that when added together will give us minus x, and when multiplied together will give us what, minus 12. Now looking at these numbers, those numbers are minus 3 and plus 3 and minus 4, because plus 3 minus 4 will give us what, minus 1, which is this x here, and then plus 3 multiplied by minus 4 will give us minus 12. So we say 2x squared minus plus 3x minus 4x minus 6 is equals to 0. Now from this we can factorize. We can say x into 2x plus 3 close bracket minus, now here now we have what, minus 2 into 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So from this we have that what, we have that 2x plus 3 into x minus 2 equals to 0. So we can see 2x plus 3 equals to 0. Therefore 2x is equals to minus 3 and x is equals to minus 3 over 2, or x minus 2 equals to 0 and x is equals to 2. So therefore x is equals to minus 3 over 2 or 2, and that is option A. Option A, x is equals to minus 3 over 2 or 2. This is the answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you, and should subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Good day and welcome. I'll be answering waec 2018 mathematics past question 35. Factorize completely the expression x plus 2 raised to the power of 2, that's in brackets, minus 2x plus 1 in brackets raised to the power of 2. Now we're asked to factorize completely this expression. Now this expression can be written as x plus 2 minus 2x plus 1. Now everything raised to the power of 2. Now we can now expand this bracket, now this square, by saying x plus 2 minus 2x plus 1 into x plus 2 plus 2x plus 1. Now opening this bracket, we have x plus 2 minus 2x minus 1. This negative sign is affecting this bracket. Then into x plus 2 plus 2x plus 1. Now here we have what? From here we have x minus 2x to give us minus x, and 2 minus 1 to give us what? Plus 1, into x plus 2x to give us 3x plus 2 plus 3 to give us what? 3. Now we can rewrite this as saying 3x plus 3 into 1 minus x. That's rewriting this now. This will be 1 minus x. So here we have what? Factorize this bracket. We have 3 into x plus 1 into 1 minus x. So this is the what? Complete factorization for this expression, and that is option D. So option D is the correct answer. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions. Good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASCII 2018 Mathematics Past Question 36. Find the nth term of the sequence 2 times 3, 4 times 6, 8 times 9, 16 times 12. Now looking at this sequence, you observe that this is the first term, the second, the third, and the fourth term. Now looking at this, you see that this first part here of this sequence are in what? Are powers of 2. Looking at the first term, you say you have here is what? 2, and n here is equals to 1. That means 2 raised to the power of 1 to give us what? 1. Likewise here we have what? 2, and n here is what? 2 raised to the power of 2 to give us what? 4. Same thing to here, 2, n is 3, 2 raised to the power of 3 to give us what? 8. And similarly here too, 2 raised to the power of what? 4. Since 4 is n is 4 here, and that is 16. So you can see that the first numbers are what? Are powers of 2. Now looking at the second number here given, you see that notice that the second number here are multiples of what? Multiples of 3. How? N here is 1. Now 3 times 1 will give us what? 3. N here is 2. 3 times 2 will give us what? 6. That means 3n. That's 3 multiplied by what? 1 here. Here will be 3 multiplied by what? 2. Here will be what? 3 multiplied by 3 to give us 9. And here will be what? 3 multiplied by 4 to give us 12. So we can therefore see that what? This sequence is given as 2 raised to the power of n x multiplied by 3n. That is, when n equals to 4, we can say 2 raised to the power of 4, which is 16, multiplied by 3 times 4, that's 3 times 4, which is what? Which is 12. And like you can see, the fourth term. So the nth term of this sequence is what? 2 raised to the power of n multiplied by 3n, and that is option B. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering WASCII 2018 Mathematics Past Question 37. If 3x equals to 4 mod 5, find the least value of x. A1, B2, C3, and D4. Now, this can be expressed as 3x is equals to 9 because it's 4 mod 5, 4. So 4 plus 5 will give us what? 9, since it's in mod 5. And from here we can say x is equals to 9 all over 3, and x is equals to 3. So the least value of x is 3, and that is option C. So that is the answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASCII 2018 Mathematics Past Question 39. If P and Q are two statements, under what condition would P or Q be false? A. If P is true and Q is true. B. If P is true and Q is false. C. If P is false and Q is false. And then D. If P is false and Q is true. Now these are two logical statements, P and Q. Now under what condition would P or Q be false? Now let's represent this using the logical reasoning. We have P and Q, then we have P or Q. Now let's assume P we have true, true, false, false. Q we have true, false, true, false. Now for P or Q, true or true, when P is true and Q is true, it will be true. When P is true and Q is false, it will still be true. When P is false and Q is true, it will still be true. But when Q is false and Q is false, it will be what? It will be false. Now this means that when P is true or Q is true, it is true. When P is true or Q is false, it is also true. Now when P is false or Q is true, it is also what's true. Now when P is false or Q is false, then the statement is false. So now you see that P or Q is only false when P is false and Q is false. So when P is false and Q is false, and that is option C. This is the correct answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past. Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering WASCII 2018 Mathematics Past Question 41. If x ratio y is equals to 1 over 4 ratio 3 over 8 and y ratio z is equals to 1 over 3 ratio 4 over 9, find x ratio z. A 2 ratio 3, B 3 ratio 4, C 3 ratio 8, and D 1 ratio 2. Now, we're given that x ratio y is equal to 1 all over 4 ratio 3 over 8. Now, x ratio y is the same as saying x over y is equal to x over y is equals to 1 over 4 divided by 3 all over 8. Now this will give us 1 all over 4 multiplied by 8 all over 3. Now 4 here 1 and 4 into 8 will give us 2. So we have that x over y is equals to 2 all over 3. Now the next says y ratio z is equals to 1 over 3 ratio 4 over 9. So y ratio z is something as saying y all over z is equals to 1 over 3 ratio 4 over 9 is something as saying 1 over 3 divided by 4 over 9, and this is equals to 1 all over 3 multiplied by 9 over 4. Now 3 here 1 and 3 into 9 will give us 3. So y all over z is equals to 3 over 4. Now from this you see that what the numerator here, which is x, is equal to 2, and the denominator here, which is y, is equals to 3. Likewise, when you see here 2, the numerator y is equals to 3 and z is equals to 4. So therefore we can see x is equals to 2 here, and y, you can see y is 3 here, the denominator, and the numerator here 3. Y is equals to 3 and z is equals to 4. So from this now we can answer this question that says we should find x ratio z. So x ratio z will be equals to 2 ratio 4. And since we know that x ratio z is equals to 2 ratio 4, that means x over z is equals to 2 over 4. 2 here 1, 2 in 4 will give us 2, and this is equals to 1 over 2. So x ratio z can be written as 1 ratio 2, and that is option D. So option D is the correct answer. Why we did this is so that we can what, reduce it to its simplest form, because this is in fraction. Ratio is another form of fraction, so ratio is like saying fraction. So we reduce it to the lowest term, which is 1 ratio 2. So the answer to this question is option D. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASCII 2018 Mathematics Past Question 44. Find the interquartile range of 1, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, and 16. So we are asked to find the interquartile range of this set of numbers. Now interquartile range is equals to the third quartile minus the first quartile. Now if you look at this set of numbers given to us, they are ungrouped data, they are in ungrouped form. But for us to find this interquartile range, let's just arrange them in a simple form so we can get the cumulative frequency, since we know that each of them is 1 in this set of data. So let's assume we have the data x, we have 1, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 16. Now each of them has one frequency, that is frequency of 1. So adding their frequency together will give us the cumulative frequency. So we have 1, so 1 plus 1, the frequency of 3, that's 2. 2 plus the frequency of 4, that's 3, plus the frequency of 5, that's 4, and so on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the cumulative frequency is 11. That is, the total number of this set of data given to us is 11. Now we can find what the third quartile. Third quartile, which is Q3, is equals to 11, which is the sum of the cumulative frequency all over 4, then multiply by 3. That's the third quartile. Now this will give us 33 all over 4, and 33 divided by 4 is equals to 8.25. Now we are going to trace this 8.25 on the cumulative frequency. That is, which of these sets of numbers can have a cumulative frequency of 8.25. Now when you look at it, 11 here is having 8, then the next after 8 is 9, and so 8.5 can fall in this cumulative frequency of 9. So therefore we say Q3 is Q3 is 12. So our third quartile is 12. Now same thing too we'll do for Q1. Q1 now will be equals to 11 all over 4. Now multiply by 1, but that will be equals to 2.75. Now when you do this, now we look at the number here that can get where we can get 2.75. Now looking at this, we have 2 to 3, but then the next number after 2 is 3, and 2.75 can be found in this in this 3. So we can say, okay, the first quartile Q1 is 4. So we have that therefore Q3 is equals to 12. Q3 is 12, and therefore Q1 is equals to 4. So the interquartile range is equals to Q3 minus Q1, which is 12 minus 4, and that is equals to 8. So 8 is the answer to this question, and that is option C. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASCII 2018 Mathematics Past Question 45. Find the mean deviation of 20, 30, 25, 40, 35, 50, 45, 40, 20, and 45. Now A is 8, B 9, C 10, and D 12. We are asked to find the mean deviation of this following set of data. Now mean deviation MD is equal to summation F X minus the mean all over summation F. Now for us to get all this, we have to draw a frequency distribution table. Now let's represent the frequency distribution table here. Let's divide this like this. Now let's have X, then our frequency. Now our X here, we have 20, we have 25, we have 30, 35, we have 40, 45, and 50. Now looking at this, for 20 appears twice, so the frequency of 20 is 2. 25 appears once, 30 appears once, 35 appears once, 40 appears twice, 45 appears twice, and 50 appears once. So therefore we can say what? Summation f is equals to 10. So summation f is equals to 10. Now the next we'll be having is fx. Now fx will be equals to 20 times 2, that's 40. 25 times 1 will give us 25. 30 times 1 will give us 30. 35 times 1 will give us 35. 40 times 2 will give us 80. 45 times 2 will give us 90. Then 50 times 1 will give us 50. Now summation fx is equals to 350. Now from this we can get our mean. Mean is equals to summation fx all over summation f, and that is equals to 350 all over 10, and this is equals to what? 35. So the mean is 35. Now with the mean we can now get what? We can now get the x minus mean. X minus mean. So x minus mean is the next thing now. Now this bracket we are putting here, determinant, simply means that whatever the answer might be, it must be what? In positive form. It must be a positive value. Even if the answer is negative, it must be in positive form. Now like we know, x is 20 and our mean is 35, so 20 minus 35 will give us what? Minus 15. But because of this determinant here, this bracket here, it will be positive, so we have what? 15. Same to applies to 25 minus 35, that's minus 10, but we have to write 10. Also 30 minus that, minus 5, but we have to write 5 because of this determinant. Then 35 minus 35 will give us 0. 40 minus 35 will give us 5. 45 minus 35 will give us 15. And 50 minus 35 will give us 45 minus 35 will give us 10, and 50 minus 35 will give us 15. Now from here we can now estimate what? F multiplied by x minus mean. Now f multiplied by x minus mean simply means the frequency multiplied by what? This what we've gotten here. Now 2 times 15 will give us 30. 1 times 10 will give us 10. Then 1 times 5 will give us 5. Here will be 0. 2 times 5 will give us 10. 2 times 10 will give us 20. And 1 times 15 will give us 15. Now we can now say summation f x minus mean is equals to 30 plus 10 plus 5 plus 10 plus 20 plus 15 will give us 90. So now we can now get our what? Mean deviation. Mean deviation md is equals to summation f x minus mean all over summation f, and this is equals to, now this is equals to what? 90, which we've gotten here, and summation f is what? 10. So therefore mean deviation is equals to 9, and that is option B. So mean deviation is 9. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASC 2018 Mathematics Past Question 46. M and N are two subsets of universal set U. If U, that's number of quantities or variables in set U, which is universal set, is 48, and that of M, which is a subset of the universal set, is 20, and N is 30. Now, M union N is given as 40. We are now asked to find M intersects N. So let's express this using the Venn diagram. So we have subset M and subset N. Let's call this subset N, and this is subset M, and this is equals to 20, while this is equals to 30. Now the universal set U is equals to 48. Now this is M intersects N. This X, this is where they intersect, where subset M intersects with subset N. Now so that means here will be 20 minus X, and here will be 30 minus X. Now we are given that m union n, that is m union n is equals to 40, meaning that everything in n combined with everything in m is equals to 40. So we can therefore say that 20 minus x plus x, that this intersects now, plus 30 minus x is equals to 40. Since we know that everything in m plus everything in n is equals to 40, from here we will have that what 20 plus 30 will give us 50, minus x plus x will give us 0, then 50 minus x is equals to 40. So from here we arrange this, we have that x is equals to 50 minus 40, which is equals to 10. So x is 10. And like I said, this position here simply represents what m intersects n. So therefore m intersects n, which is x, is equals to 10. 10 is the answer, and that is option B. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions. Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASC 2018 Mathematics Past Question 47. Express 0.612 in the form x over y, where x and y are integers and y is not equal to 0. Now we have to express this in the form of fraction. Now from converting to decimal to fraction, which is noted that 0.612 is already noted as 0.612 all over 1. Now converting this to fraction simply means that what we are moving these decimal points here. Now the number of times by which this decimal point is moved will determine the number of zeros that will be added to this one. Now when we move this once, we add a 0. When we move this second time, we add another 0, and then when we move this the third time, we add another 0. So this is giving us 612 all over 1000. Now the next is what simplification of what this fraction, that is bringing it down to its lowest term. Now there's a number which is a factor of 612 and also a factor of 1000, and that number is 4. 4 will go into 612 to give us 153, and into 1000 to give us 250. So therefore the answer to this question is 153 all over 250, and that is option A. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.